Introducing the Emergency Vehicle Alert in the Traffication app. Emergency vehicles share their location and direction via the cloud as soon as they've got their flashing lights on. This warns drivers stuck in traffic before they even hear the sirens, giving them time to react and clear the way. Škoda vehicles with the Traffication app receive these signals and alert the driver.
Emergency vehicle nearby.
If more details are requested, the app shows on-screen directions to get out of the way safely. By the time the driver spots the emergency vehicle, the rescue lane is ready, allowing it to pass swiftly. This innovation from Škoda enhances road safety and helps save lives. It enables firefighters, medics and police to reach their destinations faster. It reduces stress on drivers, and it lowers the risk of accidents, especially at intersections.
Škoda.